Okay, and then Perplexity. Is anyone familiar with Perplexity? Oh, I only got one hand over here. So, oh, another one? Okay, great. So Perplexity is right now Google's biggest competitor. More and more people are using Perplexity to ask questions like they would go to Google and ask questions. Not Gemini, but the search. And the reason is because Perplexity answers questions, gives you the links to the appropriate pages, and doesn't have ads around it, and isn't overstuffing the information. So a lot more people are starting to use Perplexity as opposed to Google search. So why I'm bringing this up is because we're going to be talking about the fact that AI is going to be what? Upending our businesses in a couple of ways, and this is one of those areas.